Digital marketing is essential for any business looking to establish an online presence, attract customers, and drive sales. Builderall is an all-in-one platform designed to help beginners create and manage their digital marketing strategies with ease. Here's how you can get started using Builderall. 1. Website and funnel building. Builderall provides a drag-and-drop website builder that makes creating a professional website simple. With customizable templates and an intuitive interface, you can build landing pages, sales funnels, and entire websites without coding knowledge. Sales funnels help guide visitors through a structured journey, increasing conversions and sales. 2. Email marketing automation. Email marketing remains one of the most effective digital marketing strategies. Builderall includes an autoresponder tool, Mailing Boss, allowing users to create automated email sequences, segment their audience, and track email performance. This feature ensures consistent communication with leads and customers. 3. Social media and chatbots. Engaging with your audience on social media is crucial for brand awareness and customer retention. Builderall offers social media automation tools and chatbot integration, enabling businesses to interact with potential customers 24/7. Chatbots can answer queries, collect leads, and guide visitors through the buying process. 4. SEO and traffic generation. To rank higher on search engines, Builderall includes SEO tools that optimize your website's visibility. Additionally, you can leverage traffic generation features such as paid ad tracking, social media sharing, and content marketing strategies. 5. E-commerce and membership sites. For those looking to sell products or services, Builderall offers an e-commerce platform that integrates with payment gateways. You can also create membership sites to offer exclusive content, courses, or digital products, providing another revenue stream. 6. Analytics and performance tracking. Understanding your marketing efforts is key to improvement. Builderall provides analytics tools to monitor website visits, email campaign performance, and sales funnel effectiveness. With real-time data, you can make informed decisions to optimize your strategy. Final thoughts. Builderall is an excellent choice for beginners in digital marketing due to its comprehensive toolset and user-friendly interface. By utilizing its features, you can build a strong online presence, automate your marketing, and grow your business efficiently. Whether you're launching a startup or scaling an existing business, Builderall provides everything needed to succeed in digital marketing.